Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Forex, specifically looking at one of the most watched currency pairs, the euro versus the US dollar, or EUR USD. What's the big story? Well, it seems to be playing a game of patience, steadying itself at some lower levels we haven't seen in a bit. And the main reason for this holding pattern is all eyes are on the US Federal Reserve. So, what's the deal with the Fed? The market is buzzing with anticipation about what the Federal Reserve will do next with interest rates. For a while now, the dominant narrative has been higher for longer. This means the market expects the Fed to keep interest rates elevated to continue its fight against inflation. When US interest rates are high or are expected to remain high, it makes the US dollar more attractive to investors seeking better returns on their capital. This is a classic case of capital flowing towards higher yields, which naturally strengthens the dollar. As the dollar gains strength, the euro, in comparison, tends to weaken. That's the dynamic pushing the EUR USD pair down. We saw it dip, and now it's kind of just hanging out, waiting for the next big clue. Traders are essentially in a holding pattern, positioning their portfolios for what they believe the Fed's next announcement will be. Any hint of a more aggressive stance could push the dollar even higher, sending the EUR USD lower. On the flip side, any sign that the Fed might be thinking about easing up sooner than expected could give the euro some breathing room and a chance to rally. Now, it's not just about the Fed. We also have to consider the European Central Bank, the ECB. Their policy decisions are the other half of this equation. While the ECB has also been raising rates, the economic picture in the Eurozone is a bit different. There are concerns about economic growth, and some analysts believe the ECB might not be able to keep pace with the Fed's aggressive stance. If the interest rate difference between the US and the Eurozone widens, with the US offering much higher rates, it puts even more downward pressure on the EUR USD. So what should we be watching for? Key economic data out of both the US and the Eurozone will be crucial. Inflation numbers, employment reports, and GDP growth figures will all be dissected by traders for clues about what the central banks will do next. Speeches from Fed and ECB officials are also massive market movers. A single phrase can send currencies flying. It's a fascinating, high-stakes waiting game. The current stability in EUR USD is really just the calm before the potential storm. The next major announcement from the Fed is what everyone is bracing for, and it will likely set the tone for the pair for the coming weeks, if not months. That's the breakdown for today. It's a classic story of central bank policy driving currency markets. What are your thoughts on where EUR USD is headed? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more market updates. See you in the next video.